this matter. Because if we fail, then we shall be sentencing our people to a further, extended period of oppression. So I want to call upon all Ugandans not to sleep, not to sit. Speak out and speak loudly. This campaign is called No Nature. Say no, and don't say no silently. In fact, don't say no only verbally. Say no in word and in action. This campaign is peaceful because we believe in peaceful means. It's non-violent, and yes, it is so simple that everybody and anybody can be part of it. Like our comrades have been saying it. Get your saucepan if you're hungry, or if you have a neighbor who is hungry, or if you feel oppressed, make some constructive noise. This is going to be necessary noise, ladies and gentlemen. Like we are saying, we are suggesting, but we know that a lot of creativity is going to come from the masses out there. Be creative, own this. This is yours, this is about you, friends. Make that noise with everything that you can use, whether it is a whistle, whether it is a metal gong, whether it is a bell, whether it is your saucepan or cup, whether it is your car in a taxi or boda hood. Make every and any possible necessary noise, ladies and gentlemen. We as leaders are leading the way, but we want to know that you're there. Every time I move, people meet me and they tell me they are with us. I'm sure they tell the same to my fellow leaders. But we want you to tell each other and tell the nation and tell those oppressors that you are there. Speak and you will be heard. Mogere mulirwe. Make your voice. When I was still singing, we would say, Jemulieyo, and people would say, Jetuli. So show us that you are there, ladies and gentlemen. This is coming together, and we are saying it can only succeed if we all work hand in hand, ladies and gentlemen. Like Malcolm X said, that strategies might differ, moves and tactics might differ, but the objective is the same. Our sole objective is the liberation of our country. Our sole objective is peace, is real freedom, is real liberty, and that we must get by any means necessary. For now, the means we choose are the peaceful means, are the non-violent means. Let's maximize them, because we know if we do what we must do, we shall win, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you for God and my country. Because bansabye bino byogere mu Luganda, basebo ne banyawo tuli basanyufu nnyo olunaku lwa leero. Ku lwange nja kusanyuka nnyo olw'okufuna omukisa guno nga tukyali balamu ne siteepu yetugiteekinga, siteepu ey'okukwatagana ffenna abaagala enkyukakyuka mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda, tulabe ng'ate tukolawo ekyenjawulo. So nja kussa ekitiibwa mu bakadde baffe abatusookawo, Dr. Kizza Besigye, Nzeeririgwa, Lord Mayor Lukwago, Muganda waffe Asumani, John Ken Charles the man, Dr. Zedriga n'abalala bangi nnyo. Mwatulaga ekkubo, mwatugula amaaso. Era olw'ebikolwa byammwe ebyo ebirungi bye mwakola, naffe tuyimiridde olwaleero ku front line okussa amaanyi gaffe ku gammwe, tulabe nga tununula eggwanga lyaffe Uganda. Baganda baffe bangi babadde beebuuza lwaki tetukwatagana. Bwewaawo ng'abakulembeze tubadde twogerezeganya, era nga tumanyi tewali ngeri gye tusobola kutaasa ggwanga lyattu lino okuleka nga tukwataganye. Kya mukisa nti olwaleero tututte ekigere ekirala mu maaso okubalaga kye tulina okukola. Era tubasaba baganda baffe mwenna, naddala abo abayanyanira enkyukakyuka, ababadde balumbagana ku mikutu naddala egya social media, tusaba kana kabonero kabalage nti bannange buli omu ku mmwe si mulabe wa munne. Mulabe waffe tumumanyi, ye Nakyemalira Yoweri Museveni ne gavumenti ye eyafuuka eyamusibira mu bbwa. Era twagala okubakakasa nti mwenna emmundu zammwe mwena zitunuuliza mulabe, so si zitunuuliza buli omu munne. Era tusaba okutandika n'olwaleero tukana akabonero namwe mukalage nti mukkiriziganya nako, era namwe temuyayanira basebo mbanya. Yeah. Mpozi olwa abana batusazeeko nja kuwa omukisa mukazi wange Dr. Besigye ajje naye abeeko kyayogera eri eggwanga tusobole okugenda maaso. Dr.
My brother, the Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, and all the leaders of the People Power Movement who are here, my brothers, the party leaders who are here, the Honorable Patrick Oboya Muriat, the Honorable Ken John Ruchamzi, and the Honorable Asmani Vasariwa, all the members of Parliament who are here, and all our dear brothers in the struggle. Jemuri! 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 Wow. I will only make 3 quick remarks. The first remark I'd like to make.
I will use all the maximum force capacity. So I order you to get out and go to your respective places.
The first remark I'd like to make is to thank God.
I am ordering everyone here.
God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. I'd like to thank God for today, because I believe in the God of justice, a God that will help us to live in a free country. And as my brothers have said, it has been a long journey that we have walked up today. That's why we must thank Lord for the patience we have and the tribulations that we have gone through to get to this momentous day. Secondly, I would like to thank my brother here and all the people of the People Power Movement for the patience and commitment to the liberation of this country that has made it possible for both our parties to come together and to join in this hall today. This is a wonderful, wonderful moment for our country, that we can unite to say that from here, let the whole country unite to say enough is enough. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our country is deeply divided. We have 90% or more of our people totally marginalized, totally isolated, totally neglected by the less than 1% of the people of Uganda. The 1% that uses guns to maintain power in this country and to subjugate the people of this country. This less than 1% uses people who are less who are about 9% of the elite, who are used by this handful of people to maintain the oppression of the people of Uganda. What we are doing today is giving direction to the 90% of marginalized people that we must regain influence in our country. Power must come back to the people of Uganda, and so would the resources that they are stealing come back to be used for the benefit of our people. Indeed, during COVID, it has been shown, demonstrated, how the people of Uganda have been brought to the brink of destruction. COVID came when the country was dry. There was not a single bag of food that the country could rely on. The Bank of Uganda was empty when COVID came. Yet we live in a very rich country. So what we are doing today is to say that all the money that our people have legitimate right to, and we know where it is, it must be applied to the needs and the benefit of our people. But we know that it will not happen unless the people stand up and assert their right. So what we are doing today, what you heard this morning was the clarion call. Say the time has come. Let's all lock hands and say we matter in this country. Let's raise our voices and say this is our country. Yeah. That's why the first call is for you to raise your voice so that people can know that there are people in this country who are marginalized. Yeah. That there are people in this country whose money is being stolen every day. Raise your voice. And that's why we have said that from tomorrow at lunchtime, it will be at lunchtime, anybody who is hungry from tomorrow at lunchtime, raise your voice. Raise your voice tomorrow from lunch. Eat your sauce, your empty saucepan. From tomorrow lunchtime, you blow your whistle. From tomorrow lunchtime, make the noise that you can make to show the country that this country belongs to us and that we are here to serve. I thank you, all of you who have come, because indeed what they are doing outside there to intimidate us is what we are going to be facing from today going forward. We are ready for them. Let them prepare. The people of Uganda, we shall meet. Thank you very much and God bless you. Basebo ne banyabo nsooka okwebaza ennyo muganda wange ow'ekitiibwa Honorable Robert Ssentamu Kyagulanyi bwe tuvudde wala naye nga tugezaako okugatta amaanyi gaffe okulaba nti eggwanga lino linunulibwa. Tekibadde kyangu, lugendo lubadde luwanvuko, ensonga lwaki nasoose okwebaza Omukama era nengamba nti Omukama mulungi era n'ekiseera kyonna era y'embeera ye tulina okumwebaza. Lutalo lwe tululwana ne Katonda waffe, era mu ngeri eyo neneebaza ne bannaffe bonna abalala be tutambudde nabo olugendo luno lw'okwegatta okununula ensi yaffe. Era olugendo olwo kye tukoze olwaleero kitaddewo kyensuubira nti ssuula mpya gye tusabiramu bannayuganda bonna okwegatta okulaba nti eggwanga lidda mu mikono gy'abantu. Eggwanga lino yeeyawuddemu mu ngeri ereeta obulabe mu ggwanga. Abantu abasingira ddala obungi, abasinga ne 9 ku buli 100 tebalina kye bafuna mu ggwanga lyabwe, tebalirinamu ddoboozi. Abatono ennyo abatawala na kitundu kimu ku buli 100 be beemalira ku bintu byaffe nga beeyambisa maanyi ga mmundu okutiisatiisa buli omu balyoke bawambe ebiri mu ggwanga lyaffe. Abalala abali wakati waabo abatono ennyo n'abangi ennyo be beeyita abakulembeze ab'ebintu ab'enjawulo mu ggwanga lino, abasinga obungi bakozesebwa bali abatono okunyigiriza abasinga obungi mu ggwanga lino. Kye tukola olwaleero twegatira mu bantu abo 9 ku buli 100 tugambe nti ekimala kimala, era nti okuva olwaleero twagala essente n'obugagga bw'eggwanga lino bukolere bannayuganda bonna abanyigirizibwa, abalina enjala, abatakyalina mirimu, abatakyalina byakukozesa, obugagga bwaffe bubakolere era bubatuuseeko embeera empya. Naye ekyo tekijja kubaawo ng'abantu batudde oba gyemuli oba temuliiyo. So olwaleero tubuuza nti gyemuli? Ssaawa ez'ekyemisana tukimanyi nti abangi tebalina kyamisana, n'olwekyo essaawa ez'ekyemisana bw'oba olina kasepiki akataliimu mmere kakube era abantu bawulire nti abantu enjala ebaluma. Bw'oba olina firimbi kikube tuwulire nti gy'oli. Bw'oba olina kengere kikube tuwulire nti gy'oli. Bw'oba olina eŋŋombe kikube tumanye nti gy'oli. Kuva enkya ssaawa 7 era buli ssaawa 7 n'ebirala mwe tujja kubategeereza ekirala ekyokukola. Naye tetukyadda mabega, tusitudde olwaleero era abo abatutiisatiisa abali eri beetegeke tujja, tetuliteri kujja mabega. Era abazze wano twazze nga tukimanyi kyekituleese tujja kubasinkana. N'olwekyo mwebale nnyo abasobodde okujja, kitandise olwaleero. No nedda, no tukyakiriza. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala, Mukama beere nammwe.
Thank you, everybody. We'll now be on our way.
Wszystko. Dziękuję.